So this song is and was written by Greg Tamlin. And any of you who are familiar with Greg Tamlin, he's a great singer, songwriter, entertainer, comedian. And this song, again, I just felt like it was right for today. And all the messages and the hymns and everything just seemed to fit right in. So I hope you enjoy this arrangement of his song, The Grand Design. After all these years, I'm starting to see that we're all threads in a tapestry, woven together, your life and mine, till our hearts and bones are intertwined. The road to life may lead us far from where we all begin, but sooner or later the hands of time weave us back in to the grand design. Well, out on life's highways we feel alone, as every bend leads us further from home. Our path divides, and we take our chances and pray our loved ones will understand us. Which way to go, we don't always know, so we navigate by heart. But in time we come to learn that every road is part of the grand design, and it's something I believe. Now I find it comforts me. I've come to love the mystery. The grand design is with us all along. Our last goodbye, a newborn song, and in the end we all belong to the grand design. The grand design. Well, if we could rise up, see the whole road, how far we've come and where we'll go, see how our pathway crosses the others, we'd know how much we need each other. 'Cause in this living tapestry, each thread is someone's road. One day from a higher place, we may know the grand design, and it's something I believe. Now I find it comforts me. I've come to love the mystery. The grand design is with us all along. A last goodbye, a newborn song, and in the